Welcome! We have just arrived here in Germany for the 8th round on the MXGP calendar. And this track here in Teutschenthal is a hard-packed circuit, which is very familiar to its riders. This hard surface and track suits Cairoli's riding style perfectly, as he's the most efficient rider around here with 5 victories. But his main rival Hurlings is oozing with confidence after winning his 5th victory last weekend. So that's 5 out of 7 GP wins. Another rider to pay close attention to could be Jeremy Seewer, who won the MX2 class here last year. We can't wait to see what he can do with the big boys this weekend. In MX2, Paul's Jonas is still leading the championship, but last year he finished here in 3rd. And Thomas Kier Olsen will arrive full of confidence after his win last weekend in Latvia. Plus, a dark horse could be home rider Henry Jacobi, who is riding at his very best at the moment and will only be encouraged in front of his home fans. Welcome to Teutschenthal for the MXGP of Germany. And don't forget MXGP's social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Stay tuned to them to get all the latest updates from across the race weekend. Live racing action anytime, anywhere.